The bike is still running bad in the middle section of the throttle, so I have an idea here to replace the reed valve, and gonna show you how I do it, and hopefully we find that something is bad with the reed valve or something. It's quite a it's not the greatest idea, but yeah, I'm running out of options here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna remove the plastic that I just pointed at, and this is how I do it. To get access to the air intake screws, I remove this plastic cover covering the cylinder and making it airtight, sort of, to help with the fan.
Better remove the carburetor first, I believe. And that's just these 2 bolts and this. It's a couple of bolts under there, no biggie.
We got 2 bolts under here. It is easier to get access to that screw down there. Looks to be an insect, to me at least. Maybe not. Yeah, I think I can get it loose. So it's just four bolts. I don't have to show you. And I cleaned it up a bit so it doesn't get too much crap inside the motor, the engine. Let's do this without trying not to hurt the gaskets. There we have it, the reed valve. And the gasket seems okay. Yeah, looks pretty okay to me. So far, it's a metal one. Original, I guess. This is how it looks. Pretty small intake. You see I'm lifting it. So, but this seems okay, so probably isn't the problem. Yeah. These are for low RPM and middle RPM. In low RPM it closes, but when it's faster, it doesn't have the time to close every cycle. So looks pretty same color and so on. The original almost looks better. Looks like somebody's been on this and screwing on them. Should look like this. Yeah. Let's put it back. So I cleaned it up a bit, so now it's more usable. And everything is back together, pretty tight, pulled. Let's just try short try, see if it will fit. Yeah, it starts at least. It's not, doesn't feel okay, still the same. So it starts moving like this, dies. Then I have to take a new. And then full speed works. Pretty okay. Then half gas. No, nothing. So it dies. What can this be? It's not responding, especially in the middle. And then it dies. It's strange. Any ideas? Thanks. So let's put it to the stop. There. Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. And this one is it's in the bottom. How about that? After standing a little bit, it usually pops right. Now it starts. It's lean, right? 2.5 out. Really lean. Stick for that. So it goes pretty well when it's newly started. Then it pops down. See? Pop it up. Any ideas? It will probably start right up now. I don't know. I think fuel is coming there. I just changed the petcock valve. Starts up. Yeah, strange.